Okay, we've got a nice quick one here today. I got a lovely little box from Logitech. Let's have a look at what's inside. Very cool. It's got a lovely little nameplate and this little thing. That's the new Logitech Rally. Nice little protective cover there to cover the lens. Let's just pop that out. Bluetooth pairing connected button, some USB-C connector, and some sort of custom connector there as well. Let's pull that up. Lovely big lens and aperture on that. Great in all sorts of lighting conditions, I assume. And that base will swivel as well. Loving the look of that. What else did they send? Put that over there. Nice little nameplate icon. Aha! A nice little card from Logitech. And what looks like a box of goodies that I totally can't get out. That is a very serious box. Okay. Let's see. In the box of goodies we have a nice remote. It looks like it's got a jog dial, but no, I guess that's to rotate it. Camera on off. Some preset settings and zoom by the looks of it here. Ah, yes. The power injector. So the Rally runs on USB-C, as you can see, and power in here, USB-C out to your device. Some documentation, USB-C to USB 3A cable, a mount that goes underneath, so it's a television mount. Looks like it's got a hole for the injector there, that's nice. International plugs, TV mount bracket by the looks of it. Yep, it's a nice sturdy mount with some strong pins. And another little box. What's in this one? Ah, power supply. So that goes into the power injector. Cool. Let's take a quick look and see what the video is like from it. Aha! Cool. So it's controlled via the Bluetooth controller. Okay, so you can put it fully to home with the controller. It does have adjustable speed, so it speeds up as we go. Camera on off. Nice zoom function, so we can see the elements inside moving. Ooh, and it moves quickly to the presets. Okay, so let's look at me. Okay. And that's how, let's move it from preset to preset, shall we? I'll just set this as the preset. And then that's how quickly it'll move from preset to preset. Okay, let's see what video's like. So this is the unit now, just running, capturing straight to my PC, pointing at me obviously. You can see what it's looking like down in a little corner. We can zoom in. And how quickly does that refocus? Ooh, that's really good. There we go. Zoom out. Set that as a preset. Looking at the camera. Looking back at me. That's nice and smooth. And video off. So that just blanks the screen. Video on. Okay, so one of the really cool things about having such a big zoom lens on it, and being a 4K camera, is that you can do tricks like this. This is just set up on our back bench. It's currently looking down the entire length of our office. And we'll go to the full length of the analog zoom. And now we'll go through the digital zoom as well. No, but I don't know you, but I can read that sign fine. I think this will suit any size room. And this is how quickly it'll zoom back out. I'd be interested to see if that little motor noise comes through. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.